Verizon Wi-Fi extended E3200 setup. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set up Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200 wired pairing option. So let's get started. So if we talk about wired pairing, so the first step is connect your Wi-Fi extender to the router via the Ethernet cable. After that, plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet and wait for a solid yellow light. You will see both devices blink blue while pairing. If there is an error occurring during the pairing process, the status LED slowly flashes red for 2 minutes after the error occurs. Once a solid white or blinking yellow light appears on the Wi-Fi extender E3200, it's paired. Then you can see it right here. So the next is unplug the Wi-Fi extender from the power outlet, move it between the internet gateway and the weak Wi-Fi coverage area, then plug into a power outlet. So if you see a fast blinking yellow light, move the extender further away from the internet gateway. And if you see a slow blinking yellow light, move the extender closer to the internet gateway. Once the LED indicator turns solid white, your setup is complete. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set a Verizon Wi-Fi extended E3200 wired pairing setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.